Unification of electricity and magnetism. Today we will discuss about how electricity and magnetism has been unified. Before 1820, it is believed that electricity and magnetism are two separate branches or separate forces, or you may say separate entity. But after 1820, when Western did an experiment on compass needle, then it is clear that electricity and magnetism are not two, they are one. And you may say they are unified. Electricity and magnetism is unified, what is called the unification of electricity and magnetism. What we get from experiment, the two important thing we get from experiment, that the charges are raised. Okay, if the charges are at rest, the forces are purely electrical. Remember, in the frame of reference, where all the charges are at rest, the forces are purely electrical. If the charge particles are in motion, if the charge particle move, then they exert both electric and magnetic forces. If the charge particle are at rest, they exert only electrical force. There is only electrical force between the charge particles. If the charge particles are in motion, they exert both electric and magnetic forces. This is confirmed from experiment. The first experiment done by Oersted in 1820 clearly indicates that when the charge particles are in motion, they exert both electric and magnetic forces. If you take a compass needle near a current carrying conductor, then you will see there is deflection in the compass needle when the current either switch on or switch off. Okay, when you switch on the conductor carrying current, when you switch on the current, what happens? There is change in motion. There is change in motion of the charge particle. And also when you switch off, there is also change in motion of the charge particle. So this indicates that when the charge particle exert a force, both electric and magnetic force, when they are in motion. The experimental observation which is done by Oersted is also supported by Ampere and Faraday. From Ampere and Faraday experiment, that is the induction experiment, it is also confirmed that electric charges in motion produce magnetic field and moving magnet generate electricity. Remember, electric charges in motion, they produce magnetic field and moving magnet generate electricity. The experiment done by Oersted, Ampere and Faraday put forward a new theory. The theory was electromagnetism. The theory of electromagnetism was given by Lorentz and Maxwell. Maxwell and Lorentz put forward a theory for the unification of electricity and magnetism. This theory is called electromagnetism. Electromagnetic force is one of the fundamental forces in nature. As we know, there are four fundamental forces in nature. Electric force is one of them. Light is electromagnetic in nature. After unification of electricity and magnetism, we theoretically and experimentally verified that light is electromagnetic in nature. So electromagnetism is the foundation for the modern technological civilization.